So this is the Sparky's coaster here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And this is at a FEC, Family Entertainment Center, called Sparky's. I think the coaster is called Sparky's. It's a fairly cool FEC, it looks like. Lots of space to do stuff. Lots of rides, lots of games. Kids, I'm sure, absolutely love this place. And this is all indoors, which is really nice here in Saudi Arabia because it can get hot. However, as you near the top of this coaster, warm air rises, so it actually gets a little toasty up here. Look at this. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh. Let's hold on to these glasses. That was it. Wasn't too long of a coaster. It's a fun coaster though for kids, I am sure. This whole place seems like it's a blast for kids. I have other videos of my time here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Be sure to follow me so you can see those videos. And I'll see you guys later.